Hi there, thanks for joining me this morning. So I finally got my, not finally, it came pretty fast, but I got my wallpaper sample from Spoonflower. And this is the wallpaper I created for Dollhouse. My last video, I thought it was the wallpaper, but it was actually a sample pack. So I got really excited and told everybody we were opening the wallpaper pack, but we weren't. Oh, I just realized I probably should take the packing list off first. Alright, so I'll try to remember to link the creating video in the comment or in the description part. So here's my packing list. It's just going to tell me what's in the box. That's all the packing list is, if you're not familiar. I don't really want to open it all up, but basically it's just kind of a receipt. I don't know that it has monetary anything about money on it. I don't remember, but gosh. Okay, here we go, you guys. Okay, so here's a little card. This is 15% off with a code. If you want to use that code, go ahead. WP609495NT. Expires on 12/31/19. And it cannot be combined with any other offers. But I don't think I'm going to be ordering any more wallpaper before the end of the year, so have at it. Oh, look at this. They send you a squeegee. How nice. Excuse me, dog. Somebody honked as they drove by and she takes it so personally. Oh my gosh. Look at that. This is mine and it comes all packaged looking like somebody else made it and I bought it from them. I mean, that is what happened, but look at this. Oh my gosh. It's a lot more purple than I thought it would be. I was using dark blues. So that's a little bit disappointing, but it's not the end of the world. It's still really cool. So see instructions on the reverse side. Look at that, you guys. That's something I made. Oh, oh, so fun. Oh my gosh. Well, that's not very easy. Well, if it peels off when you're... Oh my goodness. Okay, well, that's a stupid flaw. Because now I can't get... See, like all the wording and stuff. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be cutting into my thing. I have to squeeze my roll. So now there's bends in the roll. See, well, you can't really see, but maybe you can. Very minute, but it's still annoying I had to do that. This stuff, as I was trying to peel it up, it just peels up that part. It doesn't peel the whole thing. It doesn't... Oh, if you get it on the side, it does. Well, that's annoying. Gosh. Why is every annoying thing happening right now? So my dog's probably going to bark again. The trash truck is going by. Okay, it didn't bite into anything looking super important. Sharp utility knife, extra blades, and a squeegee included in your order. So a sharp utility knife would be like a box knife or a X-Acto knife. And that's just to get your clean edges. Prepare your paper, prepare your wall, start in a corner, apply the first roll, begin overlapping. Cool, tells you everything. All the instructions. Now let's roll this out and check it out. So remember, this is for Dollhouse. So we just ordered the sample because we don't need a lot. And the sample was $7.50, I believe, and then shipping and handling, I think it all came out to like $9. It was not much at all. And I know that that is still a lot to pay for Dollhouse wallpaper, but this is Dollhouse wallpaper I designed specifically. So I also paid for the privilege of being able to design my own design. So I don't mind paying $9 for this small piece, considering it's something I made, it's something I wanted, and it's something specific to a set I'm trying to create. So I wouldn't normally pay that much for something somebody else created, but because it's something I created and I needed and it's going to go with something, I think it's perfectly worth it. I love this Spoonflower. Gives us the opportunity to create our own stuff, and also gives us the opportunity to be sellers. So like if I like this, which I love, I can just turn around and go on to Spoonflower and mark it as something that people can buy. And then people can buy it from me. And I love that. I love Spoonflower for that. This is not a paid advertisement, by the way. I've never spoken to anybody at Spoonflower. I'm just kind of bumping through it and learning it, and I want to share it with you guys, the stuff that I learned. So there we go. There's the barcode and stuff like that. That all comes on here. Let's flip it over. What does it look like? So it's kind of a papery plastic backing. Let's see, let's check out the peeling it off of the thing ability. Oh, it comes right up. Oh, that's so nice. Look, oh, that's so nice. And then it's very, it's woven, so you can feel that it's durable and strong, but it's very thin. Probably cut this on the Scan and Cut. I'm gonna actually try to do that later with any scraps I have. So I hope this was helpful. I hope that you guys go on to Spoonflower, check it out, and create some of your own fabric and wallpaper and just have fun. All right, see you guys later. Bye-bye.